Do you enjoy problem solving? Do you have a knack for fixing things? Advanced manufacturing could be just the career field for you. This program will prepare you for employment in facilities that require technical skills in industrial electrical and fluid power systems. The skills you will gain are needed in the manufacture, troubleshooting, and maintenance of equipment used in a variety of manufacturing systems. You won't just be sitting in a classroom. You'll be working hands-on with electrical circuitry, industrial electrical wiring, motor controls, programmable logic control programming and troubleshooting, fluid power circuitry, systems and components, pneumatic systems, and MIG welding. Students can earn 30 hours credit from Cincinnati State Community College towards their applied technology specialist through the successful completion of this program. Our experienced instructors look forward to meeting you soon. Financial aid is available to those who qualify.